This is insane, this car. This is a Lamborghini Urus with the new S. 2024, 74 registration, Verde Lares, which is a very unique colour on its own, but it's also got the Terra Asia interior. 6,900 miles, under manufacturer's warranty with Lamborghini. It's got a full body PPF, which I can only imagine wouldn't have been cheap. And that protects that lovely metallic paint, because that Verde Lares isn't just any ordinary green. It's got a bit of pearl in there. You can just about see it when the light hits it. It's such a special colour. The S gives you all the bonnet venting here. This car's got the 4-litre V8, 666 brake horsepower. That is pretty fast. But the Lamborghini Urus is a fantastic car. You have the new styling to the front bumpers, the back bumpers, the Lamborghini Technica LED headlights with all that wide detailing, as you can see. And that's the same over here as well, with all the gloss black inserts. You've got front rear parking sensors, the 23-inch gloss black wheels, and what a difference they make, especially when the arch kit, the style package is finished in gloss black. It just works so well. The window surrounds, the wing mirrors are finished in gloss black as well. You've got comfort access, soft closed doors. Take a look inside. Terra Asia with that Bianco stitching, and that Bianco stitching's all this here, this white stuff, and it just looks awesome. That Terra Asia is also down the centre bridge around the knee pad area, the Lamborghini badging bang in the middle here, touchscreen media system, you've got the push button start, tilt and sliding sunroof, once again the Bianco leather stitching even on the Lamborghini Shield and the Urus, and the perforated seats. You've then got heated, ventilated seats, massaging seats, ambient lighting package, the Bang & Olufsen sound system. This car is incredible. It actually is insane how good looking it is and how much spec it's got. That PPF, like I said, on the exterior is just amazing itself. You've got rear heated seats, third zone climate control, that same Terra Asia, the Bang & Olufsen, the ambient lighting, all continues around the back. But let me just get in and show you. With 6,900 miles on, the condition of this car is like new. So when you're buying a Lamborghini Urus, it's probably because you want supercar sound, power, performance, and all that. But you also want a little bit of practicality, and that's where the Lamborghini Urus wins every single time. People love them because they look bonkers, they sound incredible, and you can have rear passengers, your vented doors, your Hurricanes. You can't do all that. So the Lamborghini is still going to get part of that supercar, but you get your friends and family to join you, and it does that very, very well. You've got lots of leather everywhere, the Alcantara, which then stretches all the way onto the roof lining. Centre armrest comes down, lots of charging ports, fully fitted mats with that Terra Asia beading and stitching going on as well. And then you've still got the original stickers from the factory. What more can you ask for when you're looking for a Lamborghini Urus? Well, in here, you're getting something a little bit different. You're getting a unique exterior colour and a unique interior colour, because there is customers out there that want all that sportiness, the performance side of Lamborghini, but they still want some classy look about it, and this, dare I say it, does that. We sell lots of Lamborghinis here in Verde Mantis and this and that, and yes, they're all lovely, but sometimes it can be quite loud and leery. But this one, I think, is quite unique. You've got the deck spoiler, top spoiler, the Y lighting continues around the back with a 3-dimensional finish to it, automatic tailgate, the huge rear diffuser with the quad tailpipes. And talk about tailpipes, you haven't got your average standard exhaust. This has got the expensive 11,000, 12,000 pounds Akrapovic exhaust, which does make a massive difference for performance and sound. Mike Kilo 74 X-Ray Lima uniform, just in case you want to get an insurance quote. All the paraphernalia that the car came with, like the car covers, the rear boot mat, rear parcel shelf, it is all there. Dare I say it, it's in immaculate condition, like brand new. There's not a scuff or a scratch on any of the wheels. You have got the carbon ceramic brakes as well, and there's the other side. The back of the seat, the door cards, as you'd expect it to be. Yeah, other stuff like 3-point seat belts, ISOFIX attachments, front, side, rear airbags, impact bars, you have that. Just because you've got performance, you still want safety. You've also got double glazed windows as well. The soft closed doors, which I've mentioned earlier, but just to prove what I mean, when it clicks, it shuts itself. Comfort access, if the key's in your pocket, as you walk up to the car, it unlocks. The seats on the driver's side is like new. You've then got that Terra Asia extended on the steering wheel with the flat bottom steering wheel there, the Italian colours, push button start. That sound alone. The rest of it is just a nice little bonus, but how cool is that? You've then got the touchscreen media system, the full Lamborghini digital dashboard, the 12 o'clock marker in silver, heads-up display. Like I said, the sunroof is tilted and sliding open. This car's got everything, because some of the Lamborghini Uruses haven't got the upgraded sound system or haven't got the massaging seats. I've seen so many without ventilated seats. Never mind the PPF, that's just another £8,000 extra that someone else is taking care of for you. What a great car this is. I love everything about it. It's going live now, and if you want something a little bit different, but you still want a Lamborghini, but you want practicality, a boot space, and lots of seats, then this one certainly ticks all them boxes. My name's Joe. If you like what you see, give me a call, drop me a text or a WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.